Hi YouTube, in this video you are going to learn how to get started with Coinbase and 3 easy ways on how to get free money that could potentially turn into hundreds or even thousands. This is a part 2 to my series, how to buy cryptocurrency, how to get in Bitcoin and crypto. To clarify, crypto refers to cryptocurrencies in general, including Bitcoin. When someone says altcoins, they are referring to any other coin but Bitcoin, hence the name altcoins for alternative coins. Coinbase is the most popular and safest site to buy and sell crypto at the moment. Think of it like Vanguard, Fidelity, E-Trade, Charles Schwab. It's a brokerage exchange for cryptocurrencies. Free money. Before you start, use a browser that's safe and crypto-friendly. I recommend the Brave browser. It actually pays you in crypto to browse. Yes, really. I'll leave a link in the description below. Also, consider switching or using a fully encrypted and secure email. I recommend Proton Mail, developed by CERN, the people that brought you the Large Hadron Collider, and MIT. And it's free. Get your encrypted email and be completely private and anonymous. Free money number 2. If you haven't signed up to Coinbase yet and you want $10 free to trade with, I will leave a link for you below to sign up and we both get $10. If you don't use my link, you don't get $10. You are already this far in and you are already winning on the path to Lambos and beach houses. Moving along, create an account. We are not going to take you step by step. Everyone knows how to create an account. However, once your account is created, I recommend 2-step verification. At the 2-step verification, you will have to download Google Authenticator from the App Store or Google Play. 2-step verification meaning that when you try to log into Coinbase and buy, sell, or transfer any funds, you will need your password and to use Google Authenticator app on your phone. The Google Authenticator app will give you random numbers that keep changing. You will type these numbers into Coinbase when prompted. Okay, so now that you are logged into your account, we can set up the 2-step verification process. How we do that is in the top right corner, you click on your little icon there and go to settings. Click on settings and it'll take you to the settings page. And now from there, go to security. Click on security. Now you can set up your 2-step verification. You can change and edit your security settings. On this bottom prompt, I recommend that you use the most secure setting, which means you are going to have to do the 2-step verification for any amount of crypto trying to come out of your account. So therefore, no one can access your account but you. Now that we've set up our security, now I recommend that you move on to linked accounts. These are the accounts that you are going to use to buy and sell and transfer funds into your Coinbase account. These could be credit cards, savings accounts, checking accounts, debit cards. Note, if you use a debit or credit card to purchase crypto or Bitcoin, the transaction is instant. If you use a bank wire, ACH transfer, it could take 3 to 5 days, but there is a higher fee for instant transactions. It's been some time since I set up my Coinbase account, but if I am not mistaken, it requires you to set up an ID verification where you have to attach a copy of your driver's license and a picture of your face. So now let's buy. In order to buy, all you do is click on that trade button on the top right. And it's pretty straightforward. You would just use your credit card and select an amount. For instance, let's say you want to do $100 and we want to buy $100 of XRP, which is Ripple. And there we go. Ripple, $100. Here you can see all the available coins that you can buy here on Coinbase. You can preview the buy. There we go. So 100 XRP or 508 XRP. That's how much you can buy with $100 because of the Coinbase fee, which would be $384 in this case. And then we would click on buy now. Once you receive your XRP in your portfolio, it is recommended to take your crypto off the exchanges. So here we can see there's XRP in the portfolio. And now it's recommended that we take it off the exchanges. So now what you want to do is transfer to your hardware wallet. At this moment in time, Trezor and Ledger are the way to go as far as hardware wallets. I will leave a link to them below. I made a video of one versus the other, and I will link that as well. If you don't know what a hardware wallet is, please go back to my first video for further info. It's sort of like a hard drive, iLock, that stores your private keys and secures your crypto on a wallet. The wallet provides you with the addresses for all its supported coins. Another thing to be aware of, not all wallets support or can store all coins. Some cryptos have their own proprietary wallets online. You will need to store them on online wallets like myetherwallet.com or Atomic Wallet. In this case, you'll end up using your hardware wallet as a key. Further, none of your coins are actually stored on your hardware wallet. Your hardware wallet is more of a key. Nerd alert. All crypto assets like Bitcoin are stored on their respective blockchain. Information like balance is stored on a particular block. Anyone that knows your public key can know your balance and transaction history. However, the only way to access and claim those assets are with your private keys and hardware wallets. What is blockchain? A constantly growing database of transaction information. It doesn't store coins. It stores transaction information. When you perform a transaction, that transaction is distributed to the network. And if it is valid, it will be included in the next block. This is where the coins themselves are stored. Okay, so hopefully you have survived all the technical stuff. And we have to move our assets from Coinbase to our wallet. We would just click on, for this example, we're using XRP on your portfolio. Here you can see your XRP. Click on send on the right side. Send. Recipient. This is where you are going to input the address for your wallet, which is given to you on your wallet. If you go to your wallet, it'll give you the address, and make sure you use the address for XRP, not the address for Bitcoin or any other kind of currency. Then we tag. For tag, I usually use tag as note. So for instance, testing or whatever, rent, whatever you're transferring the funds for, that's usually what I do, is write myself some sort of code note. And after that, we hit continue, and that's how we do that transfer. After you send to the recipient address, depending on the crypto and the amount, it could be an instant transaction, but it could also take an hour. Now your reward. Yay! Free money. This is the third way that you can make money. When you're on the Coinbase dashboard, when you're at home, on the home, scroll down and you'll see this earn free crypto with Coinbase. Click on that, earn crypto. Here, you can click on these, view, and you can watch these. They're like short little lessons, and you can also watch them at like double speed. And at the end of each lesson, there's a quiz. And for instance, if you pass the quiz, then you can see that you earn $4 or $4 worth of OXT or whatever the currency is. Now, you want to make sure that you jump on this quick and you do these as soon as possible, because sometimes they run out. And you can also join the wait list. Like you can see right here, I joined the wait list for several of them, which I missed out on. So make sure that you get in there and get your free crypto. Wow, if you've hung around for this whole video, give yourself a big round of applause. You now know more about crypto than when you first started watching this video. To recap, use a safe browser. I recommend Brave browser, link below. Use encrypted email. I recommend Proton Mail, link below. Sign up to Coinbase with the link below and get $10. You won't get $10 if you don't sign up through my link. Click and earn crypto on Coinbase by watching the videos, taking the quizzes, and you earn that free crypto that could be worth hundreds and eventually thousands of dollars. Download Google Authenticator tool on your phone. Also set up two-step verification. Link your bank account, credit card, or debit card to Coinbase. Buy and transfer to your hardware wallet. You learned what a blockchain is, and you also learned what a hardware wallet is. YouTube, thank you so much for watching. If you found the video useful, please click a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. And maybe even share with a friend who's considering getting into cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. And stay posted for part 3, where you will learn how to trade and buy currencies not available on Coinbase. Thank you so much. See you guys next time.